Hello everyone, how are you? With you Mr. Tori, science teacher, and now we will talk about the second lesson from Unit 1, application of friction. As we learned in the previous lesson that friction acts in the opposite direction of movement. In this lesson, we are going to study advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction. Let's begin. Advantages of frictions. The friction between the tire of the ground causes the movement of car forward and the increase of the speed or the change of the car direction. Note, modern cars have a streamlined shape to reduce the air resistance. So, from the first thing, advantages of friction, we can control the car, move the car, and stop the car. Repeat after me. Control, move, stop the car. Control, move, stop the car. The first advantage. The second advantage, we can walk due to friction between your shoes and the ground. Without friction, you will slip down. Without friction, you can't move. So the second thing from advantage of friction, we can walk. Repeat after me. Number one, control the car, move the car, stop the car by brake. Number two, we can walk due to the friction. What is number three? Lighting of the match. Also, we need friction, which produce heat to start burning. Number three, light the match. Repeat after me. Advantages of friction. Number one, control the car, move the car, and stop the car. Number two, we can walk. Number three, light match. Number four, we can hold things. Anything we can touch it and hold it by friction. What are the disadvantages of friction? The direction of friction force is always against the force that causes the movement. The internal parts of the machine are damaged as a result of the friction force between their moving parts. This friction causes a rise in temperature, which causes damage of machine and wasting of money. So, from the disadvantage of friction, number one, damage machine due to increased temperature. Repeat after me. Damage machine due to increased temperature. Again, damage machine due to increased temperature. Number two, lose money. Lose money. Anything difficult?